everyone. My name is Rebecca Kislak. I'm the president of the Rhode Island chapter of the National Organization for Women. We are a membership-based advocacy organization with hundreds of members all over Rhode Island working to ensure that women are able to participate fully both in public and private spheres. Our mission is that we should all have the support and the resources that we need to do this. We are here today as a part of the Reproductive Justice Coalition, a group of diverse multi-issue organizations working together to ensure access to reproductive health care. You will hear from many of my colleagues who are here today. We are here supporting the Reproductive Health Care Act. We thank Representative Agello and Senator Golden and all of their colleagues for sponsoring this legislation. It's a good bill. It deserves a hearing in the Senate. It deserves votes in the full House and the full Senate. We need to pass this bill to protect access to reproductive health care for Rhode Islanders, and we need to do that this year. We need to ensure that Rhode Islanders will be able to continue to access safe and legal abortion care here in Rhode Island. And we expect our state government to protect Rhode Islanders no matter what happens in Washington, D.C. Now is the time to act. In talking to people around the state, I have heard many be surprised to learn that our state, that Rhode Island, has an F rating about our state-level reproductive health care policies. This reality is in stark contrast to the fact that Rhode Islanders support abortion access in all or most circumstances by a margin of 2-to-1. So now is the time for legislation to meet this reality. The coalition is here together to show that there are many of us supporting this bill, working together to support reproductive health care. We're here to highlight that there are many organizations working together, and we strongly support the Reproductive Health Care Act. Rhode Island now, for example, is championing economic and reproductive justice this session, and we know that the two go together hand in hand. The decision about whether and when to welcome a child into a family is intensely personal, and it has long-lasting economic effects on the family. We think it is imperative that women are able to make the choices that they need to for themselves and for their families, and that they have the protection in the workplaces that they need to be able to care for themselves and their children. Rhode Island now will be lobbying in support of legislation on both reproductive and economic justice issues here tomorrow, and anyone who's interested is encouraged to join us at 3 p.m. right here in the library. I'm so glad to be here today with so many wonderful colleagues from a variety of organizations. Each has a short statement, and then we're available to answer any questions anyone might have.